Hi guys, welcome back to Rav's Retreat, the wood turning section of my YouTube channel. Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at the one-way stronghold chuck and some of the jaws which are available for it. I've had the one-way stronghold chuck approximately 14 months now, and it's been a fantastic chuck, I must admit. I'd heard glowing reports about it, and those reports really have proven to be true. It's as smooth and as accurate now as the day I bought it. I've never had it to bits to clean it. I just use the paintbrush now and again to get into the parts to get most of the dust off, but I've never had it to bits. It's been a fantastic chuck. Right then, so we'll have a look at some of the jaws that come with it. The standard jaws that come with it are these. Now these are approximately, you need a spigot approximately 2 inch or 2 1/4 inch in diameter. Now with these jaws you do need a spigot, not a dovetail, a spigot. And that is because, if you look closely, these jaws, if you can see, they've actually got teeth on them, or serrations, and those serrations bite into the fibre of the wood, and it works really well. But there's one small problem with them. Now when they bite, they really do bite and they don't want to let go. But if you are the type of person that puts a piece of wood in, works on it, takes it out, puts it back in, takes it out, puts it back in, lines it up, well, you're going to have problems with these. Because of the serrations and whatnot, you're going to have problems, which is why I bought these. These are the standard dovetail. They're the same size jaws as these ones, but these are the dovetail ones, both inside and outside. I find that it's much easier to line up and get a perfect match for if you're taking work on and off the lathe. But if you're not that type of person that does that, then these are fantastic. They are unusual. You know how a dovetail jaw grips all the way around? Well, these ones don't. These ones in the middle part, they don't grip. It's only on the outside edges of each jaw that they grip. If I can separate it to show you. In the centre, can you see? It doesn't grip there. It grips here and here. And that allows those serrations to bite in better. But for lining things up, it's not good. Which is why I got the standard dovetail jaws. Right, if you're the type of person that cores large pieces of wood, i.e. 10 inches and upwards, then these are not going to be enough. Coring involves a lot of friction, and you need a really tenacious jaw and a big jaw to be able to hold that wood, which is why I bought these. Now these are approximately 2 inch. The spigot needs to be approximately 2 inch, 2 1/4 inch. The spigot on these is 4 inch to 4 1/4, 4.5 inch maybe. They're huge, and when these things get a hold, they get a hold. I have never, now with these, when I first started coring, I would say maybe 6 times out of 10 wood would detach from the chuck. Since I got these ones, I've never had a piece detach, never. So you're looking at a massive increase in holding power. Not cheap, but if you're into coring, just the process of coring saves you a lot of money anyway, so you'll soon make your money back. Right, the other jaws I've got are these pin jaws. They call them pin jaws. I personally don't think they're small enough to be called a pin jaw. The outside diameter of these is approximately 1 inch, and the stand approximately 1 inch deep, if you can see that. 1 inch deep. So you're going to need an hole approximately 1 inch in diameter and 1 inch deep into your wood. I didn't get them for that. I got them for the internal gripping, which you can grip down on a very, very small, piece of dowel if need be. They are serrated both inside and outside all the way down. These, by the way, the standard jaws and the big ones, on the outside they do have a bit of a dovetail, as you can see, but they've also got 2 serrations as well, and that grips really well, really does. Right, that's about it. What else can I say? Oh, the coating which they use on them works really well. These are my standard use jaws, the most used jaws, and the coating's still intact, and I've never had any problem with corrosion or anything with them. It really has worked a treat. Also, the Allen headed bolts which they use are good quality. They use a taper fitting, unlike a lot on the market, and the taper fitting automatically aligns the jaw when you tighten it down. It's a good idea. And they use, when you get them, they come with copper grease on them as well, so your Allen headed bolts aren't going to seize into the jaw carriers. So that's another good feature. It's little points like that that make a good chuck. But as I say, it's been a fantastic chuck. I think there's 3 really on the market which I rate now. There's this, the Oneway Stronghold, there's the Vicmark range of chucks which are very good quality, and there's also the new Axminster precision chuck. That's also a nice chuck. But if I had to choose one, I would choose the Stronghold, the Oneway Stronghold. It's a fantastic chuck. They really have over-engineered it. It really is a fantastic chuck. It's a little pricey compared to some of the other ones, but you get what you pay for, I suppose. You're getting good quality engineering. Right, I just thought you'd like to see some of the different jaws you can get for it, or some of the jaws that I've got for it anyway, and the different uses. So I have got one other set of jaws that I'm going to show you, but I'm going to make another video and show you in them, because they are quite large. So I'll end this one here, and then the next video I'll show you those jaws, see what you think to those. So in the meantime, take care of those fingers, those eyes and those lungs, because life gets awfully difficult without them. Take care guys, bye bye.